and welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about, a very particular stock that I don't think I've ever talked about in this channel. So before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. As always, it does go a long way in supporting the channel, and this stock is gonna be very, very interesting with the type of news that's been happening all around. So yeah, thank you very much for being here. So the stock that I am talking about, it's not really a stock, but well, let's get into this before we get into that. Today the market has been wild. As everyone knows, it is a very, very red. Today the Dow Jones, right, started off at 34,785. Then it popped up a little bit and then it just dropped all the way down. Very red day for them. That includes also the S&P 500 down 44.17 points. That is incredible. Holy crap. It's just negative, as well as the Nasdaq, which is down 350. The S&P 500 is down 44. Yeah. So the Nasdaq is also down 350, which is kind of incredible. I mean, today has been huge corrections for a lot of areas, which includes cryptocurrency. Now, one of the stocks that the only stock that I'm going to talk about today is SOS. Now, this, I will say that I do own some myself. I do own some myself a little bit higher than this, which is kind of sad. But as we always say, when stocks go down and when stocks go down into the correction zone, that's when you start popping them in and putting more into your portfolio. All right, so today it did open up at around $3.89, just a little bit under the previous close on Friday, and then it just had this huge drop. What is this? Of 11.31% to around $3.58. Now, it isn't too bad that it's down that much. Nothing too crazy has happened to this company. As you guys know, SOS is a high-tech company with AI blockchain as the core technology, headquartered in Qingdao, which is in China. The company provides customers with rescue big data trade, digital assets management, and other information technologies with that obviously have to do with AI blockchain cryptocurrency. So company headquartered obviously in China. The main business that they do have through satellite communication network, community AP, WeChat, telephone, and other high-tech uses to provide the following access: emergency medical consultation, healthcare, emergency living service, emergency medical rescue, safety emergency, road rescue, financial bailout, and more services, as you guys can see right there. One of the major things that has been in everyone's talk right now is cryptocurrency. Now, they mine so many freaking coins. It is wild. I mean, me personally, I don't know if this is diluting the coins a lot, but it kind of seems that way. With current prices of Ethereum, what is it? The freaking Dogecoin. They are going up and some are just destroying and going down. Bitcoin, I think, surpassed, the 30,000, 40,000, whatever it was, which is incredible. Ethereum, one of the ones that we are going to talk about today, has exploded as well. So this company kind of holds all of that. So SOS went down very, very significantly today, as you guys see right here at $3.58. With that being said, Ethereum actually went up. Yeah, look at this. So at the start of the week, or last week, May 9th, yesterday, it was at 39.16, then it dropped to 39, almost flat. Then after that, today at around 9:44 a.m. Mountain Time, which is my time, it went all the way to $4,200. Imagine that. Then it dropped all the way down again to 3,800, because obviously who isn't going to sell at this price point right now? With the huge volatility that cryptocurrency currently holds right now, it is crazy. as you guys can see, even Bitcoin went down, with it being all the way up to 5,800, 5,900, and then dropping all the way down to 55, sorry, not 5,800, $55,000. It is down 4.73%. So yeah, these went up, Bitcoin went down. One of the major ones that has been on everyone's mind has been Dogecoin, actually, with Elon Musk going on SNL, and we all expected him to talk a little bit of, about Dogecoin in SNL, and then the price of Dogecoin actually going to $1. That wasn't the point, that wasn't the case. Actually, it completely tanked, right? So May 8th, where is it? Right there. Right there. Yeah, so it went from the prices of 72 cents. Everyone was buying this. Everyone was being super crazy about it. And then I think, Elon Musk's mom said something about Dogecoin, and then the price completely dropped. Then Elon Musk said something about it, about Dogecoin in SNL, and then it still dropped like crazy. So, I mean, it was kind of expected. Maybe large corporations had pre-planned a sellout, thinking that the price was going to go to $1, and they had already pre-planned the sell. So that's why it has gone all the way down. Now, I will say this, it did stay at around 50 cents, which is really good. I mean, as long as it doesn't go back to the 10 cents that it was before, I don't mind it at all. Anyways, but I do like SOS. So that is something that I am going to keep adding to my portfolio. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. I am just doing this video for entertainment purposes only. But SOS is very, very good. I mean, yes, it has dropped dramatically 30% in the last 6 months, but it did go all the way up to $12.80 back in February 2021. It did come from the $2.20, so I don't think, personally speaking, that it will drop lower than the $2 mark, which is really, really good. But I do believe this will go higher than $5 in the time soon, especially with all this cryptocurrency being in everyone's mind, everyone investing more in cryptocurrency. This is definitely one of those companies that you do want to have in your portfolio in order to get more of those money, or more money in general. But please be careful, because volatility is obviously very, very crazy. In the past 5 days, this has gone up from $4 down to $3.80, up to $4.64, and then all the way down to $3.58. So definitely think about that before investing without knowing what you're doing with your money. All right, definitely drop a comment down below. Don't forget to drop a like in this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and I do thank every single one of you guys. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.